banger. We got a banger. Yep, Porsche 911. Fall time, we got flannels, we got hoodies. I love it. Turbo weather. Say, calm down, fanboy. I love Porsches, guys. The GT3 is still on my mind. I'm not giving up on my goals ever. I'm a dig guy, dude. He wants some turns. He wants to hit the turns. I was like, we gotta go to Fall Creek Road for that, but I know the place. That's one nice thing about living out in the country, dude. I know the spots. I mean, Mexico. All right, there he is. Let's check this beast out. All right, guys, we got a sick one today. This is Brian. What's up, Brian?
What up, what up?
So he brought his Porsche out. You guys know I love Porsche. So I'm gonna have him tell you what it is real quick.
So it's a 2014 911S, 3.8 liter all motor, no turbos.
Ooh, naturally aspirated.
A little bit of personalization done on it, that's about it.
Yeah, so you did this spoiler, right? And that's out of California?
Yep, some guy pulled them, copied some other company and didn't want to wait 8 months for it from Germany, so
2014. All right, man, so what are the specs on this, like 0 to 60 and stuff?
0 to 60, I think it's 3.8 or 3.9, I don't remember. It's like right under 4.
Ooh, you're right by me, dude.
30. 60. 30. 60.
I just hit.
That's what I was saying, dude. Keep up with him. We'd be about neck to neck right now.
Yeah, so what do you guys think, man? This thing is super clean and like the camera doesn't know justice. The lines on this thing are just like so nice. And you lowered it?
Yeah, it's on lowering spring and spacers. Kept it all flush.
Yeah. Ooh, that's clean.
With the stock wheel setup.
Awesome.
The turbo wheel.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're losing daylight and we know a place in Mexico, not too far away. He left Mexico. Let's go see what we can do, man. Let's have some fun. Dude, that thing is so sick. Oh shit, I'm in freaking custom mode like an idiot. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Oh my god. Dude, your burbles from the factory sound so awesome.
Like, and you put it in Sport Plus and it just dumps it all.
You haven't launched it yet?
No, I've never done the launch.
Dude, you gotta do the launch. Dude, every time I do it in this, I think the same thing. I'm like, ugh. All right, cool. The burbles are fire. Brian said the 2 times I took off in front of him, it smelled like burnt gunpowder. So, yeah, I better take it easy on these cats, man. It's the combo of E30 and the cats getting stupid hot when I do the pops. I'm addicted to it. Oh well, let's go. You guys let me know what you think of the naturally aspirated Porsche 911 that he has. Comment below some videos you guys want to see. I got a bunch coming, but there for you. I don't think that's gonna be the end of Brian. We're gonna go check his car out some more. I'm gonna hit it up during the daylight. So until the next video, guys, we will catch you later. Peace.